Ever stared at your own diff for 30 seconds, struggling to write a single commit message? AI tools like GitHub Copilot or Claude can read your entire staged diff and generate a commit message that describes what actually changed. Instead of you mentally passing 3 modified files, the model scans the added and removed lines, understands the intent, and writes a concise summary in under a second. You can also tell it to follow a specific format. Prompt it to use conventional commits. Feat, fix, docs, chore. And it will apply the right prefix automatically, keeping your entire commit history consistent without your team needing to remember the convention. The biggest time savings come on routine changes. Bumping a dependency version, updating a config value, fixing a typo. These are the commits where you spend the most time writing the least interesting messages. AI handles them instantly, freeing your mental energy for the commits that actually need careful thought. But always review what it generates. AI captures the what, which lines changed, but it rarely knows the why. Why did you refactor that function? Why is this flag being toggled? That context belongs in the message, and only you can add it. AI makes commit messages faster. Use it as your first draft, then add the context that only you know. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.